In our last episode, we spent a day and a half exploring beautiful Santa Fe, New Mexico, which definitely was not enough time, but we must move on to our next location. If you're new to our channel or haven't followed our story so far, the beginning of 2019 was difficult for us with the loss of Michelle's job. We chose to see it as an opportunity instead of a crisis. We spent months downsizing, selling, and giving away nearly everything we own, in addition to the countless hours preparing and selling our home. We are now nomads, with travel and adventure planned to take us across the globe and new opportunities on the horizon. This is our story. Good morning. We are leaving Santa Fe about 30 minutes later than we wanted to, but I think we'll still be good. It's 8 o'clock. I've got one more thing to do before we completely leave. And that's, we gotta get some free cookies. So, we forgot to get cookies on the way out, so we're gonna grab those real quick. And cookies? Tasty cookies? Warm cookies? We are actually headed to Vegas today, so that is our final destination. But currently, we're driving through New Mexico. Just got out of Albuquerque. We're gonna hit Arizona here in a little bit, and then we're gonna drive through the entire state of Arizona today, and then cut up north into head towards Nevada to head towards Las Vegas. In the meantime, we have these epic views. Like, are those not like the most beautiful thing ever? What do you think, Michelle?
Yes, it's amazing.
Yeah, we were just talking about how New Mexico, I think they need to up their tourist game or something. I don't know. We just never see anything about it, but it's such a beautiful, beautiful state. Arizona.
I've never been here before.
I know you've been here before.
I've been here twice with you.
I'm just smoking crack, baby. Okay, so we finally made it in 9.5 hour drive, which we actually did in 9.5 hours, which is insane because we try to keep it to a minimum. We just like hustled. We got here right before sunset, which was amazing. We're here at the Mirage, and let me show you the room. Just a regular king is all we have. We didn't go for anything crazy today, but enough to do some work and relax. So I think now we're gonna try to get some food because we are starvalicious, and get some drinks. Just relax tonight because our butts are sore. I mean, like everything is sore from driving. Doing?
I'm getting grapefruit juice. I'm gonna mix it with water because it's really sweet.
Really sweet. Where do you start? I love buffets, especially this buffet.
Yeah, the Mirage buffet is really, really good.
Breakfast is really good, for sure. All right, let's get at it. Round one. What took you so long?
Everything.
Yeah, look at everything. This deciding. This is what round one. What you got there? Ooh, yeah.
Pretty healthy.
Looks pretty good. Okay, round two, and it's probably the final round. Unless I try to get a little mini donut or something, but I have to be careful with those. I can't have a whole lot of wheat and stuff. So I've got sourdough bread here instead. This is a little bit. That's probably got flour in it, so. But it looks so tasty. So we're in the search of a quiet place that we could do a little bit of work from. And I think we finally found the Coffee Bean, which is the quietest location we can find so far. No music playing. So, right in there?
Yeah. You can sit back there.
All right.
And work. It's about the only place.
Yeah, it's about the only place that we can find that we can actually maybe get some work outside of the hotel room. So we might try that because outside today is quite cold. It's like one of the coldest days so far this year. So I think a high of like 64. So that can be conducive to working.
Not for me.
I was hoping it'd be a little warmer to be able to like work by the pool, like in the 70s or something like that. But no. Apparently it's a cold spell right now while we're here. So it's not supposed to get warm again until after we actually leave on Saturday. So anyway, so let's see if we can make this work. All right, so finally we have the Mirage gym to ourselves for a moment. Let's see what we can get done. How's it going, baby? Yeah. Okay, so just finished a good little workout here at the Mirage. She's already showered and done. Hers are way quicker than mine, but yeah, so good little workout. Now it's time to, I don't know, get back to work again. I don't know. No? You don't want to get back to work?
Maybe for like 45 minutes around.
Okay.
And then go eat.
Okay. Sounds good. Yeah, we've just been working all day here in the room. We've actually been kind of stuck in the room the last 2 days in Vegas, so it's been good. We've been needing to get some work done, and it's kind of hard to, can't really get anything done while you're driving. So just with connection issues, and then it's hard to work on a laptop while you're in the passenger seat. Sometimes you get a little woozy and stuff. So we've taken these last 2 days just to kind of chill and just get stuff done. I think tomorrow is going to be really good. We have a short drive tomorrow up to Mammoth Lakes and get a chance to get some outdoor activities in too. So probably not going to be getting as much work while we're up there done. So we're trying to get it all crammed in now. So, but I guess that's the life of being location independent or digital nomad or what have you. But so here we go. Let's get ready, grab a bite to eat, and then see what the evening brings.
What are you doing?
Just seeing what you're doing with your fanny pack there.
That's a little too.
I don't think it works
It
right there.
doesn't work. A fanny pack. I bought this like probably 10 years ago,
Yeah.
hoping that they would eventually come back in style.
And
They are.
they are in style again. You got your wish.
Kind of. I mean, I can wear whatever you want.
We've had the hardest time trying to find the place that we're going to, because the Venetian is like an insane maze. So we always get lost here every time. But we figured out where we're going now. Finally, we found a resort map on the wall, because Google Maps was not taking us totally the wrong direction. So here we go, off to Sugarcane Raw Bar for happy hour. I think we're finally in the right direction. You see it?
Yes.
There it is. We just finished. We just finished our lunch. No, what did we have? Happy hour? Our first round.
You
No.
said the wrong one.
That's just it's in my genes.
It's in my heart.
All right. So now we're trying to find the place that we saw earlier today on the way up to grab a little British place. Grab one more happy hour, because I had a tiniest ever slider. It was like that big, this tiny. So we're still hungry. So we're gonna see if we can find it. I think it's this way. I think we're finding it. So we're at the Royal Britannia. We're gonna hit their happy hour. A little British gastro pub. So it looks like they've got some $5 food specials and then cheaper drinks. So we're going to check that out. We've got maybe another 30 minutes before that ends. 20 minutes before that ends. So the first place was good, but not very filling. So hopefully this will be a little bit more filling, since we get to try more things. You don't want any of that food? I thought you were hungry.
I don't want that food.
I don't even know what it is. I can't read it from here. The moon?
Moon. The moon.
Hey, where's the moon at? Oh, I see. I couldn't see the moon.
The moon? Where's the moon? Oh!
I'm gonna zoom into your face. Alright, that's the moon right there. There's our hotel across the street. Get some good stuff for the gram. Ooh, we can go to Blackout.
Blackout. Ooh, dining in the dark.
Dining in the dark, baby. You want to dine in the dark?
Yeah.
In the pale moonlight.
I'm cold.
You're cold.
I am not used to Vegas being cold.
Yeah.
I like my Vegas at 90 to 95 degrees.
Yeah, usually, I think with the last time you were here, it was like 105 degrees, I think.
Oh yeah, that's
So,
nice.
September, not the end of October, or October 31st.
Yeah, I'm not used to Vegas being cold.
Well, we were hoping that we were going to see some really fun people tonight, like, since it's Halloween.
There's really a lot of crazy people dressed up.
No, we haven't seen a whole lot of crazy.
I'm kind of disappointed.
I am disappointed too. Yeah. So, well, probably gonna stay in the hotel tonight because it's kind of chilly. So hopefully there's some freaks out there, and they decide to like walk by wherever we're standing, so we can witness it and be happy. Bask in the glory of their freakiness, which I love. That's what I love about Vegas. In our next episode, we continue our road trip to Washington State. We say goodbye to Las Vegas and head for Mammoth Lakes, California to do some exploring. You can follow our story on our blog and by subscribing to our channel and our socials. Thanks for watching.